Right guys, update. Got something nice to show you. Attempt number 3 at making some Benelli 6x6 pipes. Basically, this is just an advert to say you can have these. They're for sale. Not that set and not fitted to a Benelli, but I've got a big stack of them there behind me. Let me spin camera round. Oh. Have a look at these. So they're all the same thing, all in different versions. You've got top, bottoms, middles. What I call top, middle, bottom. You can buy any of them. I've got 3 that were mine. So these, that one, and another one. They're the ones that I use to mock these up. If I get a bike in and someone says, can I have a set of your hydroform pipes? Hydroform means made with water. I try a combination of them on, basically, see which ones fit the best, because sometimes the bottom 2 fit the best because they stagger across. So there's a gap between them there. That pipe's inboard and this pipe's outside. Then there's these 2 that go together nicely, but they sit like more one on top of the other, and they have a really high kick in them. So sometimes that don't work depending on what the bike looks like. You could obviously just use the middle 2 or the bottom 2 or just the top 2 if you wanted them kicked up really high. It all depends on what you're running them as, but they work really well on everything. Everything that I've put them on, they tend to fit. And these went on easy peasy. I've done one of these before, and they're designed to fit this bike. They started off, I made that middle one for a Honda twin race bike for Barry Davison in Ireland. That picture. That's not the right bike. That's his 500. But I made them for his 350. Then that top mega, someone asked me to do a 4, so I added that one to it. And then this guy, not this guy, but another guy with Benelli, he come in, asked me for a 6. So then I designed that one to fit underneath. So they all fit together nicely. And I can reproduce them whenever I want. Which are these again. They're on eBay or on my website.